Hello student, myself R.J. Khunte, Assistant Professor, Government TCL PG College Jangir Champa, MSc second semester, Mathematics, paper 5th, subject Advanced Discrete Mathematics, topic Finite State Machine. Finite state machine, example, find pi 0, pi 1 and pi 2 for the following finite state machine: state S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, input 0 1, output 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1, where pi k is the collection of all disjoint equivalence classes of the relation k equivalence. Now, given state table, here the set of states is capital S0, capital S is equal to small s0, small s1, small s2, s3, s4, s5, s6, s7, and the set of input is capital I is equal to 0 1. Let SIK denote the equivalent class of a state SI under the relation K equivalence. Then here let SIK denotes the equivalent class of a state SI under the relation K equivalence. Then small s0 0 is equal to small si such that si is 0 equivalence to s0 is equal to small si such that si and s0 have the same output. Here is equal to small s0, small s1, small s2, small s3, small s4. Here the table s0, s1, s2, s3, s4, s2, s3, s4 has same outputs 0. Zero equivalent states. Two states Si and Sj of a machine are said to be zero equivalent if the states Si and Sj have the same output. Since small s0 0 not is equal to capital S, we taken an element of capital S not in S0 0. S5 0 is equal to small si such that small si is 0 equivalent to S5 is equal to small si such that small si and S5 have the same output is equal to small s5, small 6, small 7. This is have same output. Here is state s5, s6, s7 have same output 1 1 1 1. Then thus pi 0 is equal to S0, S1, S2, S3, S4 have same output 0, and small S5, S6, S7 have same output is 1. Similarly, let small f the transition function from S cross I to S, then f such that S cross I tending to S. S small s0 1 is equal to Si such that small si is 1 equivalent to S0, Si such that Si and S0 have the same output, and for every x belongs to I, their next states function Si x and function S0x are zero equivalence is equal to S0, S1, S4. It means S0, S1, S4 input 0, then S1, S1, S0, S0 is output, let's say I have same output is 0, and corresponding S0, S1, S4 input 1, then the next state S5, S1 tending to S5, S4 tending to S6, S5, S5, S6 have same output 1. This is zero equivalence. Then similarly S21 is equal to Si such that Si is 1 equivalent to S2 is equal to Si such that Si and S2 have the same output, and for every x belongs to I, their next states function Si x and function f S2x are zero equivalent is equal to S2 S3. It means the given table S2 S3 input 0, then the state S6 S7 and S2 S3 input 1, then other states S0 S1. This is same have same output is 1, and this is S0 S1 next state same output is 0. Then S5 1 is equal to Si such that Si is 1 equivalent to S5 is equal to Si such that Si and S5 have the same output is equal to S5. It means the given table S5 input 0, then next state S7, S5 input 1, the next state S2, then S61 is equal to Si such that Si is 1 equivalent to S6 is equal to Si such that Si and S6 have the same output. Every x belongs to I, next state function Si x and function S6x are zero equivalent. S61 is equal to S6 S7 means the given state table S6 S7 is equal then input 0, then next state S0 means have output 0, and S6 S7 input 1, then next state S3 S2 then same input 0. Then therefore pi 1 is equal to S0 S1 S4 and S2 S3 S5 and S6 S7. Similarly we can obtain pi 2 is equal to S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5 and S6, S7 and other pi 3 same process. Pi 2 is equal to pi 3. The following theorem suggests a procedure for computing the partition pi 0, pi 1, pi 2, pi k successively. The given state table, this is uh, this is the S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7 is the finite state machine.